Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Intervlog. Today, we bring you an important development from Burkina Faso. The news concerns the launch of a nationwide e-ticketing system. E-ticketing has officially commenced in Burkina Faso. This means that motorists traveling on the country's roads will no longer encounter routine roadside stops by police officers. Drivers will not be flagged down or questioned in the traditional manner. Instead, traffic is now monitored through strategically installed CCTV cameras positioned above major roadways. These cameras continuously observe vehicles to ensure compliance with traffic regulations. When a violation occurs, the system captures an image of the vehicle and transmits the evidence directly to the appropriate authorities. A citation is then issued based on the specific offense committed. Common violations include speeding, failure to wear a seatbelt, and disregarding traffic signals. Once an infraction is detected, the vehicle's license plate number is immediately recorded. The registered owner subsequently receives a mobile notification detailing the offense and the corresponding fine, which must be paid promptly. Since the introduction of this system, traffic conditions in Burkina Faso have reportedly become more orderly. In the capital city of Ouagadougou, both drivers and motorcyclists are operating their vehicles more cautiously, fully aware that surveillance cameras are actively monitoring traffic at all times. Regardless of the number of vehicles on the road, any violation can be recorded instantly and processed without delay. On the first day of testing, authorities reported approximately 4 million CFA francs in fines. Officials praised the effectiveness of the technology, expressing confidence that it will not only improve compliance with traffic signals, but also significantly reduce road accidents. Motorists are now stopping at red lights not because an officer is present, but because they understand that failure to comply will result in an automatic fine. Any vehicle that disregards traffic laws, even in seemingly empty intersections, will be penalized accordingly. Observers suggest that this is a model that other African nations may wish to consider adopting. At present, enforcement primarily targets cars. However, beginning next week, the system will expand to include motorcyclists. Riders who fail to wear helmets or who violate traffic regulations will also be cited. Their license plate numbers will be recorded, and fines will be issued through the same digital process. Additionally, authorities have announced plans to introduce facial recognition technology. Under this enhancement, when a motorcycle violation is captured, the system will record not only the license plate, but also the rider's facial image. This facial scanning feature is expected to further strengthen enforcement capabilities. In the next segment, we will review how this initiative was introduced 2 days ago and examine the rollout process in greater detail. This development represents a significant step forward in traffic management across Africa. Burkina Faso's president, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, is being credited with overseeing this milestone. Having been in power for 4 years, he continues to draw attention for his administration's reforms. Supporters describe this initiative as another notable achievement under his leadership. Let us now turn to the full report on how this story was covered. I will be back shortly. Video ticketing, a new weapon against road incivility in Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is entering a new era in road traffic enforcement. The Minister of Security, Divisional Police Commissioner Mahamadou Sana, launched the pilot phase of video-based traffic enforcement. Burkina Faso is experimenting with video-based traffic enforcement. This innovation aims to combat road insecurity and incivility, including failure to respect traffic lights, changing direction without prior indication, exceeding the maximum authorized speed, failure to respect the direction of traffic, failure to wear a seatbelt or helmet, use of mobile phone while driving, as well as premature lane changes after overtaking. Once the infraction is detected and processed, a message is sent to the vehicle owner, along with the fine to be paid via the Faso Azerca platform. Initially, only vehicles are included. However, technicians are working to integrate two-wheeled vehicles into the system. The pilot phase currently covers the city of Ouagadougou, before a gradual rollout across the entire country. This technology also aims to boost state revenue. Estimates suggest it could generate over 50 million CFA francs per day. The Minister of Security, Divisional Commissioner Mahamadou Sana, indicated that the objective is to integrate technology into working methods in order to fight fiercely against road insecurity and incivility. Certes, from now on, cameras will be able to detect offences, generate fines, and send messages regarding payment of fines related to these offences. There will be no more hassles on our public roads, which means there will be no more debates between the police officer and the offender, he explained. He went on to say that this innovation will put an end to debates between police officers and the public about offences committed. All of that is over, because what has been proposed presents the evidence of the offences, and there are no discussions around that, he said. The implementation of this system also aims to mobilise resources for the state coffers, according to the Minister of Security. Security consumes enough resources. We also need to think about how we work, how we mobilise resources to also replenish the state coffers. And through this demonstration, you saw that, in a single day, the tool generated nearly 49 million in terms of fines collected for traffic violations, he noted. The Minister of Security announced that following the pilot phase, which only concerns Ouagadougou, this technology could be extended to other major cities in the country, and then to the entire road network. I want to reassure you that our ambition here is to extend this technology across the entire national territory, and not only in urban centres, but also on major roads, he said. The Director General of Communications and Information Technology, Chief Superintendent of Police Zakaria Hebier, stated that this new solution complements and integrates with the e-contravention platform. It is based on a cutting-edge technological infrastructure deployed as part of Phase 1 of the Smart Burkina Faso project. Thanks to high-definition cameras and intelligent detection algorithms, the system allows for precise reading of license plates and formal identification of offences in real time, identification of the vehicle owner, communication of information to the e-contravention platform, which generates the penalty notice and sends a notification by SMS to the owner, he explained. According to him, the strength of this system lies in its interoperability. He explained that the system is designed to communicate seamlessly and securely with the DGTTM's vehicle registration databases, the e-contravention platform, and the Faso Azerca platform. Today, we are testing a pilot phase. Some might ask, why a pilot phase? Indeed, successful innovation is that which adapts to the realities on the ground and the needs of users. Thus, over the next few months, we will test the robustness of our equipment, refine our operational procedures, and capitalize on feedback from staff and users. This period will also be marked by a strong educational component aimed at facilitating the understanding and acceptance of this system by all stakeholders, he emphasized. As a reminder, in 2023, the Ministry of Security launched the digitalization of the management of fines with the implementation of the e-contravention platform, a system that is still operational. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.